Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm joined by JP, who is General Manager for Europe for Romi Machines. JP, many thanks for joining us today, and I understand you've got some exciting news regarding your warranty package.
Yeah, this is true. So first of all, thank you very much. I appreciate to be here also. We have good news. So since the 1st of June, we are presenting for the market our strategy for 3 years warranty for all Romi machines, for injection molding machines, the machine tools, all of them in commemoration of our 90 years anniversary. We are supplying here in Europe with this 3 years warranty.
And when you say warranty, what's included?
So we are talking about everything in the machine except the CNC components. That is still 24 months, but all the rest, spindles, ball screws, all their components, hydraulic, pneumatics, mechanical, everything you have included, including also spare parts, labor costs, displacements. Everything is including this 3 year warranty. So that give a big advantage for our customers, in our opinion.
Okay, so some manufacturers will guarantee the spindle, won't they, but not the rest of the machine. So what you're saying here, Romi, are guaranteeing 3 years on everything other than the control, which Fanuc look after.
Yes. So we analyzed the market, but more than the market, we asked our customers what they have been experienced with Romi during these last years. Here in Europe, we have a big research, and they used to say a lot about our quality, and we were thinking some product in something back to restate this partnership between us and our customers, and then we decide to go again for the quality. And so as you told, we have a lot of examples that we have for some type of spindles or some class of spindles or part of the machine, but this is unprecedented. So we are really giving for the entire machine because we are experiencing a very, very good relationship with the customers. The products run very well. So normally we don't have any problems, and why not? And we are offering this since 1st of June.
Yeah, and I guess it's win-win. The end user, the person that buys your machine, they've got 2 or 3 years, 3 years confidence. They know should something go wrong, it's going to be backed up by the comprehensive Romi warranty. But equally, your machines don't go wrong, do they? So it's not much of a cost to you either.
This is true. The machines are really, really robust. So all we have a big structure that produces a lot of part of the machine by our own selves, with plants here in Germany, plants in Brazil. But more than this, 100 of the components that we used to have in our machines, they are from first class suppliers too. So, and for this reason, we face really not so many subjects with the machines after we install them, and reason why we are gifting this back to the customer, because in the end you said the right word, is everything related to confidence, and this confidence we want to give to the customer. And more in this moment, unfortunately, that everyone is suffering with the COVID, why not to give this back and give more competitive to them, to changing some old machines or just repeating the purchase, and continue confidence that that the economy is going to come back, and we're going back stronger with better machines on their portfolios.
Well, thanks for your time today, JP. Stay safe, and I'll see you really soon.